There's a better way to build today, a way that provides speed, beauty, durability, and economy. It's called tilt-up concrete construction, and it's an economical and efficient method to build a structure with all the attributes owners, developers, architects, and engineers want in their building. In tilt-up construction, concrete wall sections are poured horizontally on site, then lifted vertically into position in the structure. Tilt-up construction has been around since the turn of the century, when Robert Aiken pioneered the use of the tilt table. But this construction technique became prominent after World War II with the advent of ready-mixed concrete and the mobile crane. The concrete pump, along with improved lifting and bracing hardware, have resulted in unprecedented growth of tilt-up within the last 5 years. Over 249 million square feet of tilt-up wall, comprising nearly 625 million square feet of building, were constructed in 1998 using tilt-up construction. Modern tilt-up construction techniques were perfected in California. Tilt-up quickly spread throughout the West and South, and subsequently to all of the U.S. and beyond. Today, more and more architects are using tilt-up for a greater variety of building types. Why is tilt-up concrete becoming so widely used for all types of structures? It's simple. Tilt-up provides owners with an energy-efficient, weather-resistant, and durable building that can be available for occupancy faster than other construction techniques.
Well, on this project here at the Uptown Park, we had various different heights of tilt wall panels, different reveals and thicknesses, which just wouldn't very easily be achieved with any other type of construction, meaning metal frame or wood stud. We have some panels which are over 40 feet tall, and like this arch behind me, see, it's just quite large. And then to accomplish that with metal, it would just be, the timing and the expense of it would just be too exuberant to achieve that.
Tilt-up concrete construction is a simple process which uses readily available local materials, including ready-mixed concrete, reinforcing steel, and lumber. Many of the construction tasks can be handled utilizing local semi-skilled labor. Most of the work is performed on-site and on grade, which eliminates the need for expensive and time-consuming scaffolding, forming, and transportation of structural elements. The design and construction process is so flexible that most modifications can be made up to the day panels are cast. Tilt-up concrete is the fastest method of building construction from design to occupancy. Construction can begin while the final design is still in process. Electricians, plumbers, and other trades can often work simultaneously, thus reducing the total time needed for completion. Weather is no more a concern than for any construction process. In fact, it's safer than most because so much of the operation occurs on the finished floor slab of the structure.
Yeah, tilt wall construction is less affected by inclement weather.
A short period of relatively good weather for casting the concrete elements is all that's required. The balance of the process can proceed in any type of weather. Concrete has proven itself as a durable and low-maintenance building material. Because concrete is inherently fire-resistant, the buildings are not only safer, but often have lower insurance costs. Concrete construction provides better weather resistance than other forms of construction. Strong winds might tear the roof off a building, but concrete tilt-up walls will provide maximum resistance to damage from windstorms of all types. Tilt-up construction also performs well in earthquakes. In the recent North Ridge earthquake, some roof connections failed, but the walls kept on standing, and the building was repaired. Perhaps the greatest strides in tilt-up during the past 2 decades have been in the area of aesthetics. Tilt-up construction is no longer confined to just warehouses or other utilitarian structures. And tilt-up concrete construction is not restricted to buildings. Architects and designers are becoming more creative in their use of the materials. Exposed aggregates finishes, once only possible in precast panels, are very common in tilt-up construction. New materials such as thin brick are now available. Ribbon glass and other exterior treatments are being used in office buildings and other structures. With concrete being a fluid, moldable mixture in its initial state, form liners make virtually any surface feature possible. And the popular painted finishes are also used to create unique looks. With tilt-up concrete, the possibilities are endless. The bottom line determines most decisions when selecting your building system. Tilt-up construction is an excellent choice to meet your bottom line, both in initial cost and when evaluating your life cycle cost. Tilt-up construction compares favorably with all methods of durable concrete construction, such as concrete masonry and factory precast. When factors such as thermal mass, maintenance, durability, soundproofing, and insurance are considered in a life cycle cost analysis, tilt-up concrete can be very competitive, even against lower initial cost systems, such as pre-engineered metal buildings.
Tilt-up is the best system that we've used for this type of application. It gives us speed, it gives us quality, a reduction in price. As an example, on a 5,000 square foot building, we were able to pull $20,000 out in cost just in the structural steel alone. So it's been a very beneficial system for us. And the greatest opportunity is to design to the capabilities of tilt wall. If you do that, you'll be very effective and generate a lot of cost savings and a lot of speed and time.
I believe that tilt wall is far superior to other building systems for a number of reasons, especially in this retail application as an Uptown Park. What we were able to achieve here, I don't think we could have very economically achieved with another type of construction.
Beauty, durability, faster completion time, disaster resistance, lower maintenance and operating costs. When the benefits of tilt-up concrete construction are fully evaluated, tilt-up concrete will be the choice for your building project, a project in which you can take pride. For more information or the name of a designer or contractor in your area, contact the Tilt-Up Concrete Association at 319-895-6911 or visit our website at www.tilt-up.org. Let Tilt-Up Construction rise to the occasion for your next building.